How to use Target Wallet for checkout. To use Target Wallet for checkout in store, you simply need to scan a single barcode. First thing first, download and sign into your Target account. Once you're logged in, then you want to add the payment method. And if you want to save the payment method to your device, you have to go to the profile or my target at the bottom right and then go to the gear icon at the top of the page. Here you have this payment card, and here is the place where you have to go ahead and add it, and this is where it's going to save. Now, if you want to use a payment method from the Target itself or Target wallet, you then need to go to the wallet section from the bottom, and you have these options, right? You could just go ahead and toggle the button. Just simply go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt, and that's how you're going to use Target wallet for checkout. And with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And if you're having any sort of issue, then make sure to add in another card that might be able to solve your issues. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. See you in the next video.